Sometimes nail art with acrylic can be intimidating. This camouflage set though was easy to do and didn't need any tools, well, except filing. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Always be sure to stir your powders before each use. Hey NailTubers! Hey Nailification Squad! I am ready because this design is right up my alley. I used to wear a lot of camouflage. Come to think of it, I never had my nails done in camo. And actually I couldn't because of my profession, but I'm doing it today, okay? This is just a very short clip, but the clear layer is to protect natural nails from staining, especially when using highly pigmented colors like the black that you'll see. I tried to select colors that I have closest to the background to create this camo set, and this is what I came up with. And though it wasn't an exact match, I ended up liking it a lot. It turned out with a slightly feminine look. This is called At Midnight by IGEL Beauty. It's strong, and this is the one that will leave staining. I am being very careful to place it and work it. If I do get it on the skin, I clean my brush and wipe it right off. Oh, and in case you did notice, yes you did, I'm wearing that set of bougie nails on a budget I did a few weeks ago, so that tells you right there that this was pre-recorded and waiting for editing. So the index finger will also get this black color. I think this working length is very fitting to the design. This is brown sugar, which I was really going for something darker, and also I let myself get a little thrown that it's a shimmer. But then I was like, hey, I'm giving this set all the girl power. Hey, no disrespect to any guys out there. This acrylic is so smooth and creamy, as you can see, and I enjoyed using it. Now, the thing about doing camouflage is, I don't think you can mess it up. There's no right or wrong. All I'm doing is placing beads right next to each other and shaping them however oddly I can. And don't worry if one color might get on top of another. It will come off as soon as you file. One thing I wanted to make sure to do though was to add enough black to create a color balance between the nails. So this nail will get filed down smooth before I place the clear. And also to file off any of that color I was saying will get on top of another. Even though this isn't an exact color match like I was saying, I just got some pigment powders in and I'm so happy about that. Now I can mix custom colors to my desire. I didn't bling this set out because I wanted to stay with this natural look, and besides, you don't want every video where I'm throwing stones and blinging it out like, oh, she's doing it again. Yes, honey, but this camouflage. I'm an earthy and adventurous girl. I love to be in my surroundings. I'm thinking to myself, why didn't I do these before? Because something else, guys, it just occurred to me that I bought 2 sweaters about a week ago, and I'm thinking the brown sugar color matches one of them. Isn't it so cool when that happens? So this gold leaf is actually leafing foil. Well, actually it's rose gold, and I only use a very small amount because that's all you'll need. I put down a little clear, then place it so it doesn't move. I showed this in the giveaway announcement. Oh, yes, the giveaway. Guys, it's in celebration to reaching 500 subscribers. And there's still time. So you need to go and watch the video. I'll be announcing the winners, and yes, I said winners, more than one, tomorrow. I am so pleased with how this set ended up looking. And for a change, I'm also satisfied with not using any stones. I know I was talking a bunch of smack earlier, but I really am. I think the leafing did this set just right. If you're enjoying today's video, I also do Polygel, and I just got new colors of gel polish. I have a dedicated series called Bougie Nails on a Budget that I think you would like too. So consider subscribing to my channel because I have so much more to come. When you do subscribe, remember to click the Nailification bell. That way you'll know every time I upload. I'll be finishing this set with matte finish because it just has to have that look. Now guys, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Much love.